For many people globally, YouTube has grown to be a significant source of income. The platform has made it possible for people and companies to monetize their content and make money, from marketers to content providers. In fact, the top YouTubers made a combined total of $127 million in 2017, an 80% increase over the previous year, according to a research by Social Media Today. So, if you're wondering how to get money on YouTube, this video will provide you with a detailed guide on different ways you can make money on the platform. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Ad revenue. The most popular method of monetizing YouTube is via ad sales. In this procedure, YouTube runs advertisements before to, during, or after a video, and the creator is paid a portion of the money the advertisements bring in. You must first activate YouTube channel monetization in order to begin receiving ad money. To do this, go to your channel settings and choose the monetization option. Then, go to the guidelines to connect your AdSense account with your channel. You may begin making money from the advertisements that appear on your videos as soon as your channel is authorized for monetization. The quantity of views your videos get, the kind and location of the advertisements that appear, and the level of viewer involvement all affect how much money you might generate from ad income. In general, YouTube producers are paid between $1 and $3 for every 1,000 views. However, this might change based on the kind of advertisements you post and how much an advertiser bids on it. The length of your video may also have an impact on your profits. Longer movies are more likely to show more advertising, which means they will bring in more money. YouTube Premium. With YouTube Premium, viewers may watch videos without commercials, have access to exclusive content, and enjoy uninterrupted music listening. The service is paid for. YouTube Premium revenue is a feature that allows creators to be paid by the site. Based on their portion of the view time from YouTube Premium subscribers, YouTube pays creators this amount of money. In order to be eligible for payment using this feature, authors must have 4,000 hours of legitimate public viewing in the previous year and a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. You are immediately qualified to get money from YouTube Premium earnings as soon as you fulfill these requirements. Affiliate marketing. On YouTube, affiliate marketing is yet another well-liked method of earning money. In this kind of performance-based marketing, a company will give you a commission for each sale that is made via your special affiliate link. For instance, if you are a beauty YouTuber and you suggest a cosmetic item in one of your videos, you may include a link in the description of the video to buy the item. You will get a portion of the sales if a viewer clicks on the link and completes a transaction. You must first link yourself with a brand in order to begin making money via affiliate marketing. You may do this by contacting businesses directly or by signing up for an affiliate network like ClickBank or Amazon Associates. After you have an affiliate link and a partnership, you can use it in your videos and be paid a commission for any sale that is made with it. Sponsorships. Similar to affiliate marketing, sponsorships pay you a set amount to promote a product or service in your video rather than giving you a percentage on sales. Sponsorships need a more direct marketing of the brand or product than affiliate connections do. This might take the form of the brand being mentioned or shown in the video. Obtaining sponsorships requires having a sizable YouTube following. In order to market their goods, brands often seek for producers that have a sizable and active following. Your chances of landing sponsorship business may also be boosted by having a target market and specialty. By contacting businesses directly or by being a part of influencer networks that link artists and brands, you may discover sponsorships. Merchandise. Selling goods on YouTube is an additional approach to get income. Those that follow you closely may be interested in purchasing goods associated with your name or content. Products like t-shirts, caps, mugs, and other items that represent your brand or are related to your content may be made and sold. You may utilize systems like Teespring or Merch Shelf, which are connected with YouTube, to sell items, or you can create an online shop. After that, you may advertise your products on your channel, in your videos, and on social media. Crowdfunding. Using crowdfunding, you may raise money for your projects or content production by asking your audience for financial assistance. This may be accomplished via websites such as Patreon, where producers can provide their fans with exclusive material or benefits in return for a recurring monthly payment. For instance, you may provide Patreon backers early access to your movies, behind-the-scenes looks, or Q&A sessions. Another way to raise money is by using YouTube's Super Chat function, which allows users to donate during a live broadcast in return for the creator's shoutouts or highlighted words. This is a fantastic method to interact with your audience while also obtaining funding. YouTube's Partner Program. Through the YouTube Partner Program, producers may earn money from their channels by taking part in various initiatives. Features like Super Chat, retail shelves, channel subscriptions, and other revenue opportunities that we have already covered are included. You must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 authorized public watch hours over the previous 12 months in order to be eligible for the Partner Program. To keep your eligibility, you must also abide by YouTube's rules and community standards. Participating in the Partner Program may open up more avenues for you to monetize YouTube. Creating content for businesses. Finally, if you have a sizable YouTube following, you may use your abilities to produce paid content for companies. This might include writing product evaluations, sponsored videos, or branded material on behalf of a business. Because of your ability to reach a wide and focused audience, companies seeking to market their goods or services will find value in your services as a creator. By joining influencer marketing platforms or networking with businesses, you may discover these chances. Conclusion: it is certainly feasible to make money on YouTube, but it takes commitment, perseverance, and hard work. It's important to keep in mind that creating a popular YouTube channel requires time and work. Sudden success is very uncommon. You may raise the likelihood that your YouTube videos will bring in money by paying attention to the advice and techniques shown in this video. Always put the development of a robust and devoted community, high-quality content that engages your audience, and the use of different revenue sources like AdSense, brand partnerships, and merchandising first. Remember that the secret to being successful and relevant on the ever-changing YouTube platform is to always be learning and adapting. Above all, remember not to give up if you don't get results right away. Establishing and monetizing a profitable YouTube channel requires patience and time. Continue producing material that you are passionate about, and with perseverance and hard work, you may make a good living off of your YouTube pastime. Continue creating, continuing to learn, and continuing to expand your channel. You may be the next huge YouTube success story, who knows? This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.